In today's video, I'm going to teach you Canva text box background color. By the end, you'll know how to add a clean, customizable background behind your text so it stands out beautifully on any design. First, open a template or a blank canvas in Canva. You can use any design size, social post, presentation, flyer, whatever you're working on. Once the editor loads, look for the text option in the sidebar. Click it, then add a heading. This gives you a large, easy-to-see text box to work with, and you can always resize or reposition it later. Type in any word or phrase you'd like. Keep it short at first so you can clearly see the background effect as you set it up. Make sure the text box is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and toolbar at the top. Now, head to Effects in the top toolbar. In the Text Effects panel, choose Background. Instantly, Canva places a shape behind your text that grows or shrinks with your words. This is perfect for creating labels, callouts, or high-contrast captions on busy photos. Next, fine-tune the shape using the roundness control. Drag it left for crisp, square corners, or right for soft, pill-shaped edges. This is a quick way to match the style of your design, minimal and boxy, or friendly and rounded. Adjust the spread slider to control how much space the background extends beyond your letters. A smaller spread hugs the text for a tight badge look, while a larger spread creates more padding, which can improve readability and give your layout some breathing room. To change the background color, open the color picker in the same panel. You can choose from solid colors and recent or default swatches. Pick any color you like that complements your design. For best results, aim for strong contrast between the background and your text, so it's easy to read at a glance. Finally, adjust the transparency. Lowering the opacity lets a bit of your image or texture show through, which is great for subtle overlays. Keep it more opaque when you need maximum legibility, especially on complex backgrounds. And that's it. You opened a template, added a heading, applied the background effect, shaped it with roundness and spread, chose a solid color, and fine-tuned the transparency. Use this workflow anytime you need text that pops without overwhelming your design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.